And it's a Saturday, and I'm on my way to Cantina because that's where we are going to have Gina Joy's bridal shower. So it's no longer a surprise. It's just like a simple lunch get together with our like former circle, like our former barkada in college. And I'm now waiting for my angkas. Among sabot is 11, and it's already 10:40. I mean 10:40. So I hope I don't get late. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my ride, and I hope that I would be able to vlog the whole day and meet my friends. Bye! Guys, so I just arrived and I'm literally the only one here sa Cantina. And their music is too loud, so I hope dili ko maka-copyright any place. The place is so empty, and our sabot is at 11 a.m. most of the time. I am not like usually the one that arrives early. My God, I'm the first one to arrive here. It's 5 minutes before 11. So let's see. So 11 ang amo ang sabot, and let's see kung unsa sira oras mo abot.
Something like a chemical, something medical. I looked at her, I was lost. In her eyes, in the music, in the way she moved, she had me hooked on the sound, the alarm. Looked at her, I could tell she was looking too. I looked away and felt her grabbing my arm. She said, I wanna move to the left. I was by her side, I wanna move to the right. Took me for a ride, she pulled me down to the front. Took me by surprise, she had her head rocking, hips popping. Baby, don't you
Okay. Bayad. Ayaw na. Pwede na ka mag-treat sa amo, pero ayaw pag-pay lang ani. This is our bride-to-be. Ana, tabi, post daw kabi. Post ka. Happy birthday! Mar, pailayla sa tigas akong vlog. Mar, this is Mariel. This is Jessa. And this is Gina. This is Gina, the bride-to-be. Dira kayo hayag. Yes! Dapat na kita. So this is Blumen.
Magpasa ka dito.
She's very serious. I know we're gonna look for a place where there's milk tea and coffee, because some of us doesn't drink coffee. But I thought this place is nice, and I recommend it because especially they have like a big lunch flash sale where at 11 a.m. up to 2 p.m. So all of their meals, each meal is 20% off, like lesser than the real price. And there's not a lot of people, so come here na mo guys. Come here na mo guys. I don't know where we headed. Basta kay, we're going to find a place where we can have milk tea and coffee. Let's go! Here, ay bayot yan. Hi Jisa, are you okay Jisa? I will follow her. Okay, time for some coffee. We're the mga Korean sing. Ano ba sila after sila mag-lunch kayo mag-coffee? Lagi!
think there's another universe.
So we're done. Thanks, show me your coffee.
Uy, dahil ka, siyempre ba?
Ano yung coffee?
Siyempre siya, mayon kasi yung mahal ka. Ayaw na lang niya. Ikaw, pwede mo pa-offer. Sige na, Vic. So, mag-try po na ito ang kuhan na strawberry.
I'm still saying
Bakit hindi mo dala sa shore namin?
Ano all? We're done.
Sa kanya siya. Uy, nga na siya. Wala sa gig. Nga na siya yung di pa dalaan. Uy, ito gignan. Ito gignan nga, Mar. Ako yung Mar.
Okay, so padulong may baklay may padung sa ching.
Uy, yan na lang. Dili edit to.
Uy, nay, puting nga van. Bantay mo. Tulayo na kayo sila na pamindiri.
my dad's the scientist who captured her, but now it's time to set her free.
Mayroon dyan kayo ang CDO. Sa abangan niya kay Kaila. Asan man to si Beige? Abangan na mong drinking. Oh, diba? Ala, mga tag-iya lagi mo. Ma'am, sir, bawal imo ba table? Ay, bawal? It's a free.
Karong 9, abi kinaugnay ng iyahang bridal ba?
Kinsay gusto mag-milk tea?
What? Milk
tea.
Dili ko mag-milk tea.
Ikaw. Two of our meal. Extended ang aming pagsasama. Hi! Baba kay Kamar. Baba na kay si Marian.
Hi. Let's drink some coffee, you guys.
What day is it today?
Today is
It's April, May, June, July.
August.
So today is April 13, 2024 and probably ma-upload niya akong vlog on
Next year anniversary ni Jaina Oniray.
What are you drinking? You're drinking
Coffee.
coffee as usual.
Kani nga kasal ang ano chiko mo. Katulog ko sa'yo.
So, na si Mariel. Mar! Okay, na-try nga to ang bride. Bride. Dili ka ni siya.
Nara ang akong gusto nga
Dili ka ni nga bride. Kani siya ang bride.
Isa na ko ay matagalan ay kana tatlong.
So, Tingting's going to sing later. I'm gonna update you later.
Wala kay saling din.
So, saan man natong sitwasyon karon Mar? Kapwerte ka na, Mar. Hadlo. Wala pa may nag-lipstick kayo. Aya pa may nagka-on. And, nag-toothbrush mo yung sab. Ay! Now it's time for the Victoria.
Asa si Jaina? Turaan.
Medyo na pagkainit. Oh, Jaina is there. Picture, picture. My eyes is about to get red. And look, twin, where have you been? How does it feel to be the most beautiful woman in the world?
I'm so tired.
To be the woman in the hour?
I'm so tired from
What's your ay, sorry. What's your maingat for those who are singing? Sa'yo nagit kayo mag-bridesmaid. Pretty lang.
I guess not, guys. Pasayaw ko, guys.
Magawa sa itong mga hidden talent.
Ano ko na ko na buhat ko.
Walking to our van. Hi! We're on our way to the church. We're done with our exhibition. Lalamig kayong milk tea ngayong giinom. Kita sa iyong parents, Mar. Oh. Parang siya nagkitipi sa simbahan. Hindi ka po nalayo. Arang-arang na ang atong mga ilong laban ng kadiha sister. Just wait a minute. Apa sa ikaw deliver sa info. We're at the reception. Bloom, shoe reveal. Oh, Mariel. Ting, aman titing. Aman niya, Pax. O, diba? Chinelas. For the chinelas. For the hindi pa talaga masyadong muhupa ang aking ilong. Paano kayo maglakad? I have my seatmate.
Was incredible, so were the decibels. Couldn't hear my thoughts. Something like a chemical, something medical. I looked at her, I was lost in her eyes.
Hi guys, the program is over and it's officially my high school bestie is finally married. And I don't know if you can hear my voice right now, but I'm really not feeling well. Gapon pa ni. So I feel cold na. And unta dili ko makapiray. Bye guys, I love you.
All of our friends the sand, beneath the stars.